All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and let's talk about no pricing in my tool reviews. I get a lot of comments about what's the price of this, how much are, like when I'm talking about scan tools, updates. The problem is when I put any of that kind of stuff in a video, I wind up getting, comments 3 years later that the price has changed. Well, duh. Now, that's one of the biggest things with reviews is they live on YouTube forever. If I talk about the pricing of XYZ, 2 years later, there's a price reduction, or like during everything that happened the last couple years, prices went up. I get hate comments about pricing. It's just not worth it for the comments. I try to put links in the description, and before YouTube murdered that, links in the comments. I will mention when they're affiliate links or when they're just links that go to like Milwaukee sites. I do no affiliate links for Milwaukee. I send you to Milwaukee's site. You can go check out pricing there. Or actually, you can't check out pricing there. You go to retailers, but you get my point. That's why I don't include them, because they live on YouTube forever. And anytime you include pricing, been there, done that, you get comments about pricing, whether it's accurate when you did the video or not. To give you an example on pricing getting very ridiculous in comments, video I did on panel clip tools. It's got a cost, I think, over 100,000 views now. And I put a link to that, and the comments I got were, you can buy it cheaper at this link. And FYI, you put any link in any of my comments, it immediately goes to the spam filter. Never goes to YouTube. It never gets publicly displayed. I literally had another YouTuber putting his affiliate links in my comments. Not making that up. Literally to his Amazon store for products I was talking about. That's why they're banned, because people do that kind of stuff. So that's just wanted to, pricing cropped up again. So I figured I would do a video about it, and that's why I don't do them, because it just literally, it doesn't do me any good. Doesn't really do you any good. They're not affiliate links. I will tell you they're not affiliate links. You can click away. It's never going to do anything other than, you get to see what the price is. Touch on another thing is the value proposition. It's hard to do a value proposition when, what's it worth to me versus what's worth to you. It's really a hard thing to say. For me, that specialty tool that I might use once a year is invaluable because I use it once a year. Whereas to somebody that might buy it that may never use it, value proposition is very different. So going into value on a tool just doesn't make sense for my kind of content. It's your money. You got to make the decision on whether or not it's a good value for you. I know this was kind of ranty. I just want to let you all know that that's why I don't talk about pricing. It's just not worth it to me or you. It really doesn't add anything to the conversation. If you're interested, click the link in the description. If it's not an affiliate link, if it's an affiliate link, it'll say it's an affiliate link. Or copy and paste the title, because it usually has the model number and all that in it, and search it yourself and get your price. So as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.